What shape is that?
What shape is it?
A heart.
Very good. So I got Eric Valentine's Day chocolates because he asked for chocolate the other day, and I told him I'd give it to him on Valentine's Day. So then he starts opening them up. He ate a few, and then now he's opening them up and throwing them all in the garbage. Well, I guess that's what happens when your mom's a fitness and nutrition coach. I didn't tell him to do that. It was totally his idea. He said, "Mommy, can I put it in the garbage?" I'm not gonna complain. Totally fine with me. Eric, you want to say Happy Valentine's Day?
Yeah.
Say Happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's Day.
You want to give a big smile?
Mm.
Can you smile at the phone? Say cheese.
Cheese.
Alright, that's as much as we're going to get.